Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So it's another late night in the garage, but I got a package today. It's actually a pretty big box. Honestly, I wanted this even before I had the Fusion, and it was one of the determining factors for me choosing this Fusion because I knew that I could add this to it. And I knew I wanted it, and a bunch of you guys were actually saying I should get it. I heard you, it's finally here. I can't find my Batman knife, so we gotta use these normal scissors. And honestly, the timing's pretty good. One of my headlights went out not too long ago, and I was actually running with mismatched color headlights. This is really tight, but it should be over pretty soon. The headlights are kind of the one main thing that the car is missing, in all honesty. I think this will really set off the front end too, just because I feel like the front end is almost done, just the headlights are a little too bright, so these should actually darken it up a good bit. But yeah, before I had the Fusion, I was looking into what I could do to customize it, and I found these headlights, and honestly, they really sold me because the majority of the aftermarket headlights are styled after different trim level headlights, different years. But these are, in my opinion, probably some of the coolest headlights you can get on your Fusion, aside from getting custom work done, which can get expensive. All right, I'm gonna lower this down just so when I pull it out, you can actually see it. And here we go. So these are the Mustang style headlights for the 2013 through 2016 Ford Fusion. Again, that golden year range for me just because it has the most options. And I wanna get up close just so you can see these things in their entirety. So one of the things about me is I love halos. If you haven't checked out my old Suburban build, I got halos for that truck. And there's really no other options for halos for headlights on the Fusion unless you do custom work. But as you can see, these headlights have two bulbs, one projector and one high beam, and they're actually surrounded by these little halos that become the DRLs. And then over here you have the Mustang style turn signal. I think these also shine white as DRLs as well. Whenever you use the turn signal, they turn amber. As most headlights, there's a few different ways you can spec them out. And going from halogens, you can take a step up and go buy xenon, or what I did, go another step up and order them with LEDs. Plus there's a lot of customization you can do. You can color match the headlight. You can get cool flowy RGBs. No solid plans for it right now, but maybe in the future we'll do something to it. I've never actually messed with the headlight before. The taillights are pretty easy, but I'm probably gonna do some research tonight just to make sure that whenever I'm actually doing this, I don't mess anything up. And these were a little over 600 bucks, and I kind of made myself a personal promise that if I reached over 600 subs, I would buy them. And basically for each one of you that subscribed, I was gonna put in $1, and we hit it actually a little while ago. So honestly, thank you. This is definitely something that I wanted to do to show my appreciation for you guys. I didn't think it'd be so soon though. That's awesome. Like I said, this definitely helped me choose the year range that I wanted to get for this car because these are most commonly made for the 2013 to 2016 model Fusions. Before you ask, the listing did show a 2017 Plus model with these style headlights. Personally, I know nothing about it. You'd be surprised how many things there are actually styled after Mustangs that you can do to your Fusion. And one thing of note that I've always had the question is about the actual lens, if it's clear or subtly tinted. It's straight clear. So whatever the situation, you will not get pulled over for the headlights. It's the same situation as the taillights, black housing, clear lens, so perfect. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. I'll have an install video up soon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. It is so nice and so clean, and my headlights right now are so dirty.